Hi, you've drawn card number 2, the open heart. I'm Denna the Connector. An open heart is a magnet for miracles. When you welcome gratitude, you welcome love, abundance, and endless possibilities. Release fear, soften your heart, and let appreciation fill your spirit. Gratitude clears away barriers and draws in people, experiences, and opportunities aligned with your soul's path. Remember, when you lead with an open heart, the universe mirrors that energy back to you. Ask yourself now, where can you invite more gratitude into your life today? You can connect with me at denna.com.au. I'm Denna the Connector. And remember to make a difference, collaborate and grow, and travel, inspire, grow. Thank you.